Namaskar. Today we'll study convex mirror, how the problem is to be solved with the help of GeoGebra. So let us draw the mirror with center C and radius R. I am taking R right now 30. So I mark this center and I mark this particular arc. So this is our mirror. Now let us mark the pole. Okay. So pole is here, center is there. Now mark focus at the center of C and P. So I got focus here. Now mark object O01 at U. I have taken this particular U here. So right now I have taken U as 13. So we'll mark this particular object here. Okay. So object is marked at distance 13 in front of the mirror. Now this dotted line is shown to tell us that this is the reflecting surface. Okay. Now we'll draw rays and try to see how image is formed. Okay, so we'll draw one ray from O1 towards C, and please note that this particular ray is perpendicular to the mirror, hence gets reflected back. Right, so this ray is reflected back along the same line as AO1. Now we draw the second ray. We'll draw the second ray, right? Now this is drawn parallel to it, and please note that here the normal is going to be, right? So we'll take normal and then we'll take the reflected ray. So this is the ray, this is the normal. So this same angle will be done on the other side and ray will get reflected. And now along this the ray gets reflected. And when we extend these two rays, that is this ray backwards, this ray backwards, they will meet here and form the image. We'll take the meeting point. Okay. This is the image. Now this image is virtual because it is obtained by extending rays in the backward direction. Now one more ray we can draw is at the center of this. So this ray is making this particular angle with the mirror normal, and therefore this angle and this angle, they will be equal. Now we extend this also backwards. There's going to be a slight change in this because we call this as spherical aberration. So if you draw image by these two, it will be slightly at a different place. Okay. So this is how possible for you to draw the convex mirror, and by GeoGebra you can quickly get the image formation. And from here you have to observe that particular image, right? Now you will see that you can have this ray somewhere. Now if you change this, you will see that dynamically the image formation also will change. So you can solve any of your problems by changing these parameters. Say for example R, if I change slightly. See, this is how possible for you to use GeoGebra to solve these problems. Magnification can be calculated, right? And the lens formula is here. So you can work out with help of this as well as graphically. Okay. Now if you have any queries or if you want any other problem to be solved, kindly mail me vasantabarve@gmail.com, and then we'll take care of that particular aspect of your problem. Thank you very much. Share it with your friends.